Quantum computing isn't just the future. It's the next financial revolution. While everyone's chasing AI stocks, a new wave of quantum companies is quietly building the backbone of tomorrow's technology. And in this video, we're revealing 5 quantum stocks trading now that could 10 times before 2030. Stay till the end. My last pick is a micro-cap sleeper that most investors haven't even heard of. Quantum computing harnesses subatomic particles to perform calculations trillions of times faster than today's best supercomputers. This technology will disrupt everything from AI and cybersecurity to drug discovery and finance. The global quantum market could exceed $125 billion by 2035. And early investors will be the ones sitting on the 10 times gains. Stock number 1, IonQ. Our first company, IonQ, is the clear public market leader in quantum computing hardware. Their trapped ion systems already deliver record qubit quality and stability, making them one of the few truly scalable quantum players. IonQ's technology is integrated with Amazon Braket, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud, positioning it as the Intel of the quantum age. Revenue growth is accelerating, and their partnerships with the U.S. Air Force and defense labs add serious credibility. Yes, the stock has been volatile, but volatility is opportunity. This is a long-term bet on quantum dominance. Stock number 2, Rigetti Computing, RGTI. Rigetti focuses on superconducting quantum processors and hybrid cloud computing systems. They're bridging the gap between classical and quantum computing with their Aspen series chips. Rigetti's collaboration with NASA and the U.S. Department of Energy gives it real-world validation few penny-cap quantum firms can claim. At under $5, it's a speculative but asymmetric play. If their next-gen 84-qubit platform succeeds, we could see explosive upside. Stock number 3, D-Wave Quantum, ticker QBTS. D-Wave is the first commercial quantum computing company with real clients and recurring revenue. They specialize in quantum annealing, a different architecture than gate-based systems, but one that already delivers results in logistics, manufacturing, and optimization. Customers like Volkswagen, Lockheed Martin, and MasterCard use their systems for real-world problem-solving today, not in theory. Analysts see D-Wave as the NVIDIA of optimization, and with its growing enterprise base, this could quietly multiply over the decade. Stock number 4, SEALSQ Corp, LAES. SEALSQ Corp trades near $5 and focuses on quantum-resistant security hardware, the chips and cryptography that will protect AI and IoT systems once quantum computers break current encryption. They're developing post-quantum cryptographic semiconductors and digital identity chips that secure payments and connected devices. Governments and major enterprises will soon need these solutions to stay secure. As quantum computers advance, SEALSQ could become a critical player in the cybersecurity layer of the quantum economy. Stock number 5, Quantum Computing Inc., QUBT. Quantum Computing Inc. offers the software layer of quantum computing. Their platform Catalyst lets businesses use quantum power without writing quantum code. That's the Holy Grail. Making quantum accessible through a SaaS-style model, QUBT is building partnerships in defense, logistics, and AI optimization, giving it exposure across multiple verticals. If the quantum software market grows as expected, QUBT could become the Shopify of quantum computing. Notice something. Each of these companies controls a different layer of the quantum ecosystem. IonQ, hardware leader RGTI, hybrid integration QBTS, applied quantum systems LAES, security infrastructure QUBT, software interface. Together, they represent the full stack of the future. That's why diversifying across them could capture multiple growth waves within one technological revolution. Quantum investing isn't for the faint of heart. These are small-cap, high-volatility plays with limited revenue today, but massive optionality tomorrow. Don't bet your rent money. Position small, think long-term, and scale only as the tech proves itself. The quantum era is coming faster than anyone expects. And when it hits, the biggest winners will be those who positioned early. Which of these 5 stocks do you think has the highest 10 times potential before 2030? Drop your pick in the comments. If you found value, smash that like button, subscribe for more future tech investing breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next video, where we uncover the next frontier of finance and innovation.